Welcome to the 12th annual Mgbce conference. My name is Jorge Partida and I gladly welcome you. The theme for this year is partnerships and collaborations. It's important for us to talk about the collaborations that we form in the community. Through the partnerships that we have, we can transform the built environment. This conference brings together the greatest minds in sustainability and the greatest leaders in our community to transform the way in which we work, the way in which we learn, and the way in which we play.
I think that the partnerships and collaborations are significantly valuable because it allows us to expand our network. I think that organizations that are already related to sustainability and who are not related to sustainability give us some value and connectivity that we haven't seen already, and it allows us to be exposed to other communities. So their connection between our organization and other organizations is imperative for us to begin to expand and begin to touch other communities and begin to kind of develop those things that are a little bit different. So we're excited about that opportunity.
Here at this event, we have essentially a microcosm of the entire building industry of Southern California. They're here, they're here. So there's amazing people that also happen to be building healthy, responsible, energy efficient, water efficient buildings. So for us, sustainability is not this extra thing off to the side. It's really integrated into everything we do. So anybody involved with buildings, which pretty much is everybody, because unless you're living in a park somewhere, you deal with buildings at some point in your day. Everyone dealing with buildings, schools, offices, homes, anybody who sets foot in a building should be here and know the issues involved and know how we can not only make our buildings more responsible, but make them better. It's an opportunity that we're missing and we could really take advantage of.
I come to these events because this is where I get inspired. And this is also where I meet people that I want to be working with, and I hear about projects that I want to be working on, and I hear about initiatives that I would never have known about. But mostly it's the spirit of it. This is what makes me tick. This is what I love, and this is where I find the other people that I can really work with. And together, you know, sustainability is not something you do alone. So you come to events like these because you meet your team, and you meet the team you're going to be working with, and that team gets bigger and bigger.
I think partnerships and collaborations are important simply because that's the way we move forward. Acting alone, independently, it's very difficult to make progress, but when you can bounce ideas off one with another at an individual level as well as at a corporate level, you can progress your idea, build on it, and gain greater ground.
One of the things that's been very valuable that I didn't expect was partnerships regionally and throughout the country, to be honest. I sort of knew that we'd have cross-industry partnerships with manufacturers, with architects, with engineers. But what's been really fulfilling and great to learn from is how are folks doing this in Northern California? How are they doing it in the Southeast United States? How are they doing it in New England? And we're learning from each other and finding that we have a lot of common ground, but we're also learning from each other's mistakes and our approaches to collaboration.
Partnerships and collaborations are the lifeblood at USGBC, and it's so important that we all work together to achieve the same goals and that we rally our strengths. And with our strengths and with community partners, we can build the future of sustainability.
So if you're in business, if you're a professional, you're an emerging professional, whatever you may be, a conscious human being a sustaining member of the USGBC puts you in touch with the world, not only of today, but the world of tomorrow.
I am.
I am.
I am.
I am.
I am.
I am.
I am USGBC.